Today we are going to do meditation on mindfulness. Mindfulness meditation is all about feeling positivity, feeling whole and complete feeling within yourself. Mindfulness will bring the happiness and the surety of being into your vibrant health. So just relax, find a comfortable place, sit or lie down. Make sure that you're very comfortable. Close your eyes and relax. Get aware all the sensation that you're feeling in your breaths. Feel the breaths going in and allow yourself to exhale. And while doing this, just allow the awareness in your breaths. When you inhale, allow a lot of positivity, allow a lot of peace to enter your body. And when you exhale, release out all the stress, all the doubts about your own self. Keep breathing. Keep breathing. While breathing, allow this peace, allow this good feeling to go in your body as much as possible. Keep feeling it as much as possible into your body, into your senses. Keep breathing and get aware of your breaths going in your body, through your mind, through your brain. Allow your brain to relax. Allow your brain to feel that peace. Allow this energy to flow down in your body. Inhale. Inhale your relaxation. Inhale your peace right now and allow this energy to spread in your body. Allow this energy to spread in your organs. Allow this energy to spread in your cells. Just feel it and allow it to happen as much as possible. Keep feeling it. Be aware of your breaths. Be aware of your body. Be aware of your own self. Just relax. Just be. Get aware of your body and see if there is any discomfort, any thoughts that is distracting you. Allow it to go. Don't do anything. Just be. Be with yourself. It will go by itself. Keep relaxing. The more you are in your body, the more you are aware of your body, you will feel the strength to be present in your body and to stay in the moment of now. Just feel it. Allow your body to feel it. Feel your breaths going in your chest and allow your chest to relax. Feel this calmness. Feel this peace spreading now in your entire body through your chest also. And whatever is coming in your mind, any thoughts, any feelings, any emotions that is coming in your mind right now, without any judgments, just let it go. Let it pass. You just be present in your body as much as possible. Acknowledge your body today. Acknowledge yourself and just be present in your own body. Be present in now situation. Keep breathing. Allow the breaths to go down in your stomach and feel the energy of peace. Feel the energy of calmness in your stomach. And with each and every breath you're taking now, allow this energy to spread in your stomach and allow the flow of peace, the flow of calmness in the stomach. Get aware. Be into your body. Be aware in your body. Any thoughts, any emotions, let it go. You be aware into now moment and be aware into your own self. Keep relaxing as much as possible. Be completely aware in your body and be aware of yourself as much as possible. If your mind is wandering here and there, bring your mind back into your body. Be present in your physical body right now, being aware of yourself completely. Just be aware and allow this energy to spread in your legs. Now, get aware of the breaths from the top of your head till your legs and allow the energy of peace, allow the energy of calmness to spread in your body, to spread in your mind, to spread in your organs, to spread in your cells. Allow it to flow. Be aware and be present in your physical body in now, totally and completely in now moment. Be with yourself, be with your body. Nothing is more important than you and your body. So just be with your body, be with yourself completely. Any thoughts, any emotions, any judgments, simply let it go, let it pass. You just be with your body. Feel this quality time you're spending with your own self, being completely aware of your body, aware of yourself. Any past memories, let it go. Be with yourself. Be aware in your body. Feel the happiness. Feel the gratitude for your own self for spending this time, the quality time with your own self. And this is very important that you need to practice every day. Being with yourself, being aware in your physical body, being in the now moment. Feel yourself, be with yourself completely. Slowly allow the breath to spread outside your body. Allow the flow of energy, the energy of calmness and peace into your aura, and feel this as much as possible. Be with it. Feel the gratitude towards yourself. Feel the happiness towards the quality time you're spending with yourself. Say to yourself, I support and love myself completely. I support and love myself completely. I love and accept myself and my life completely. I love and accept myself and my life completely. Be with yourself. Feel this energy in your body. Be into now moment. Be with your body as much as possible. And feel this energy of calmness. Feel this energy of peace inside and outside you. Keep feeling it as much as possible until you are ready to start your day. You are ready to start that you are looking forward with right now. Resume your things the way you would like it to be. So keep feeling it, keep feeling your body, keep feeling this calmness and peace within you and outside you, and allow yourself to be into these energies. Take your time, be with it, be with yourself. Practice this quality time with your own self. Practice this awareness of being into now moment. Keep doing it as much as possible. See you again in next video. Until then, be happy, be safe, take care.